This is the FFX Hunter here and another live stream. So today we have a 24th August. So what happened yesterday actually on the dollar index, it's quite interesting and I see it as an opportunity, but it's of course a lot of quite speculative. So what happened this week? We had the weekly open, we went through the previous week's high, we went through the previous. Let me just Okay, so we went through the previous month high and through the previous day's highs, and then the price has made a break of the structure, then a retest, and another break of the structure, right? So now we have this nice gap here, and we have this sell side liquidity in here. So what I think that could happen, of course, that the price could drop down here to make a bigger pullback. However, we must be very cautious because dollar index is still in the uptrend, right? So we are basically speculating on the short term pullback, right? Because still we have here we got order block, right, which could be supportive. So right now we will be watching I will be watching this zone around this gap, right? So what I would like to see is that the price would take out this liquidity above this Asian session and then make another break, right? So then it would be confirmation that the price can go lower, and we have a similar situations on the euro. So let's go to the euro, so we can see how the price has made open this week. It went straight through the previous week's low, straight through the previous month's low, which is the long-term historical low. I mean, it was low of the previous month, but before it break the low of the 2002 or something like that. And then the euro dollar contract went through another previous day's low below the parity, which is actually here, right? So what happened then? Then we had this break of the structure, then we have this pullback, beautiful retest, and then the price went up. Well, now, of course, the best trade would be and was yesterday, after this break of the structure, then entry here, and then the trade already happened, right? So now joining the party, it's a bit late, but maybe not, because if this scenario, what I'm expecting here, is going to play out, then we could see this level here, which is actually the gap. You can see this gap here, this gap, which is right below the Asian session. If that would be visited, then we could go higher into this nice equal highs, which the market makers has left here. And here will be probably a lot of stop losses of those who shorted maybe the breakout in here, right? Or the breakout down here, and they still was not shot, um, they was still was not taken out by this spike move. So maybe another traders entered shorts in here, right? So I believe here we will have a lot of liquidity which could be visited. So I'm looking for this short-term speculative opportunity with price taking up here to the weekly open and this order block above this liquidity zones, right? So definitely not looking for some big long-term reversal, and I don't say it cannot happen. Of course, the price can go even higher into this liquidity, right? And here we have what is this? I don't know what this I have to delete. So we have even two liquidity zones above. So could the price go there? Yes, why not? So short term looking for the potential long trade, and of course very careful because it's still downtrend, and the price can simply go like this, right? So we need to see a confirmation. Like what would be the best scenario is that would be that if this liquidity below this Asian session, if this liquidity is taken out, right, and then we can see this and this, right, And when I will be interested to to participate this trade, when I will see this break and here, right? So that gives me the confirmations that that it's ready, because trying to catch just the falling knife, then it could be doing this, so I don't want to see this. So yeah, this is for the euro, and very similar is pound looks even more bullish, right? So we have similar situation. Price opened on this week, it went straight through the previous week's low, previous month low, ranging, then it dipped below the previous day's low, then we had the break of the structure in here, and now the price is ranging, right? So quite a tight range, looks good, and we have the gap here. Here we have the order block. So similar situation. I would like to be looking for this. Okay, so this is for the pound. And this is it, my friends. So I wish you happy trading. Trade carefully, and of course, always keep good risk management. Don't try to gamble. Don't try to go from 0 to 100%. You always need to uh, have enough money and be psychically uh, be okay psychologically to open another trade. So basically, one trade will not make you rich, and one trade should not destroy your trading psychology and your comfort. All right, my friends, bye bye.